Good morning everyone. It's day 2 of our Boracay trip. Siyempre, ang intro ay sa buffet ka agad. 'Di ba? Nagpunta muna ako dito bago mag-intro. Ito yung pinaka-antay-antay ko. The Sea Breeze na breakfast na kasama nung room namin. So let's see kung okay ba ang food dito. Looks good though. Let's start. The moment of truth has arrived. First plate. Doing pandesal. I love pandesal in the morning. Meron silang bread heater also, so perfect. And one thing about me is I absolutely love ham. I even eat it with rice. Ganun ko siya kagusto. And I got ham. And cold cuts and cheese. First plate lang yan. Let's go. Ikaw, what's your first plate?
Konti lang. One big scoop of egg. Coffee. Gusto mo na ako kumain eh. I don't know if you can see, pero ham with sweet sauce. Longganisang hubad. Ano ba? Skinless longganisa. Tapos, kumuha ko ng ano ba to? Salted egg dun sa salad bar. Tapos may plate na may mga sliced tomato. So ako. Oo, okay siya. Tapos garlic rice. I love it. Daming selection dito. No? They're very overwhelming. Okay. Sarap ng food. Kain.
Meanwhile, ang sarap ng pandesal. Super sarap. Super sarap. Round 2. I got a little bit of everything, basically. So that's how you do it, diba? Tikman nyo lahat. Get a bite of everything so that you know which ones to go back to. Yeah. So I have roasted potato, ham, my favorite, longganisa, chicken sausage, fried fish, what's this? Beef balls, cordon bleu, bitter gourd, or ampalaya, and garlic rice. Ayan, diba? A bit of everything. Paikot. And the thing about this breakfast buffet is that they also have non-breakfast food. So, sulit. Let's try.
Second plate. Spaghetti. Beef meatballs. Tapos, ginisang ampalaya. Ang ganda ng pairing ko, no? Inggit ka na naman. Inggit ka na naman.
Class. Enjoy! Here's a tip for all the buffet eaters out there. Use a soup bowl for your rice so that you can create space for all the dishes on your plate. O, diba? Practical tip. You're welcome. Ding! I'm heading back to the hotel to freshen up before we go to the grotto. Yeah, and to walk along the shore. I love it after breakfast. Pampatagdag. The breakfast spread was good. Okay siya. I highly recommend the place, Henan. So far, so good. Tara, punta tayo sa grotto. This is the way to the rooms. Yan. So from that point on, where the signboard is, only in-house guests are allowed. Yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Here we go. So to your left would be a pool. There. They have two pools actually. There's one inside. I prefer that one. Mas maganda yun. Yun yung sikat na pool. Tapos, it's warmed actually. They have rooms around the pool. I think that's one of the trademarks of Henan, diba? Yan. Let's go. The place is well maintained. I love it. Easily top of my head. Top of head. Hey guys, one of the advantages of staying at Henan is this. I think this would be often overlooked, I would say. Pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, one of my favorites.
Ano yun?
They will give you key cards, okay? One for each person, right? So we have two. Kasi dalawa kami, natural. So, and each time, there is a counter right outside the shore, the beach, di ba? When you enter the beach. So you exchange these for towels. Come. Yeah. Wait and see. Thank you, sir. Diba? First of all, they're so aesthetic, diba? I love the color. Yan. And then, it saves you the hassle of carrying towels all around the beach, diba? And before you enter your room, wala na, surrender mo lang, and then there you have it. Sila na bahala. I love it. Let's go. So, we are going. Sabi ko nga kanina, I explained that we're going to the grotto. Sinabi ko na kasi kanina, by the way. So, ito na, on our way to the grotto.
Nice. Hindi siya masyadong crowded today.
So, going to Boracay right after the Holy Week is not a bad idea after all.
Very bonggang idea.
I love it.
Bonggang.
I really, really love it. Bonggang idea.
Ganda ko. Sabi. Back to Boracay Daily, April 22, Tuesday. May pinapollow akong TikTok eh. Boracay Daily. Ang fun. Hindi pa malumot here. Pero tinan mo dun, oh. Lumots are here.
Getting our steps in.
Akala mo talaga. Ilang kilometers na pa? 1K. Check ah. 1 kilometer mark. Keme.
They'll be out of their minds.
Jonas.
Let's go. Getting my tan.
Check ah. Hiningal.
Saying a little prayer for Pope Francis today.
Lola pa rin. Epic ko pa naman yan. Kaya yan ang bata. Ano? Hindi ka na. Sayang. Pero kung ano, dadaling ko.
sa loob na lang.
And then, cheese sandwich. Ito ba yung may ano? May soup ba ito? Tomato soup lang. Day 2 lunch is at the Sunnyside Cafe. So this is one of the trending places currently. So you have to try this. Masarap daw yung, of course we did our research before we went here, di ba? So should you. So yung masarap daw ay yung grilled cheese with tomato soup. Sabi, okay daw yun. Nim got the shakshuka with chorizo. Yan, shout out to you, Wenzel. Yung shakshuka mo. That's it. Let's eat. Tingnan natin. This is how you eat shakshuka.
Super love. Mamili ko sa shakshuka. Spicy siya. Tapos, yung mga aromatics. Love it. Love the aromatics. Hindi ko lang na-break yung egg. Ayan. Ayan. Yummy. Good.
Rate mo.
8 out of 10. Recommended.
Now let's try the grilled cheese sandwich. When you eat grilled cheese sandwich, you always, of course, dip it in the soup. TikTok didn't fail me. It's so good. Did not disappoint. I love it. Sarap, no? Love it.
Parang ibang mundo to. Pero okay lang. Okay lang magka-sunburn basta galing Boracay. Okay lang magka-sunburn basta galing Boracay. Nagawa mo?
Sketching.
Tingin.
Patapos ah.
Wow, artist yan.
I-draw kita. Mamaya.
Gandahan mo ha, kung yan. Survey lang po. Check. So, ang ganda ng sunset ng Boracay. Do you agree? Maganda yung sunset ng Boracay.
Masaya. Of course, it's one of the best in the world. Because di pa tapos? Because I've seen many.
So, ano yung naramdaman pag nakita ka ng magandang sunset? Ano yung naramdaman mo?
That's a very interesting question, and I love questions that take me by surprise. Like yung question, like that question. I haven't thought of that. No one actually has asked me about that. Daming sinabi. So anyway, what I feel about it now that you asked me, I feel a lot of things, but mostly peace. Yeah, it gives me peace, and it makes me grateful that I'm able to see it yet another day, diba? And I know that I will see more of it in the future. Grateful for seeing it. Ikaw?
Pakita lang natin yung sunset. Wait lang. Wait natin mag-adjust yung camera. And there it is. I love it. Wala, grateful lang din that meron tayong ganyang sunset here. Kasi di ba, di naman lahat ng countries may ganyang sunset. So, proud. Proud. Happy na may ganyan sa Pilipinas. Kahit pagka sa Manila tayo mainit.
Yes. Ay, oo, yeah.
Pero maganda naman. Yun ang sinasabing tease, ganda. Ang babaw lang, no? Pero maganda eh. Super nice to look at.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Boracay sunset.
Yeah. Happy na mga tao.
Let's head back to the room to prepare for dinner. Tara.
Thank you. Wow.
What comes after dinner? Coffee. We are at Season Coffee. This is in Station 2, right beside near the mall. Cookie. Tapos nahulog. One white chocolate and one dark chocolate. Oatmeal cookies. Try natin.
Ooh. Soft ng pina-warm mo. Kape to. Ito, ano itong isa?
White chocolate.
It's okay. Mas prefer ko itong dark. So, how was dinner? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Delicious?
As always, I order pecho. I got that from my mom. My mom doesn't eat any chicken part aside from pecho. So medyo naman ako yun sa kanya. So lalo na pag hindi fried, I always order pecho or yung breast. Sarap. And very nice yung si Anne. We met Anne, the owner. She said they opened lang last March. And they have been doing well. And she gave us complimentary drinks na napakasarap, refreshing. Thanks, Anne.
Hindi naman naka-apekto sa review mo sa food. Yung free, yung complimentary drink. Ay, di mo pala na-review.
I said masarap naman siya. It's good. It's good. They have a branch they originated in Bacolod. So sila yung iDelicious doon sa Manukan country. IDAS. Yeah. So dito iDelicious siya. iDelicious siya dito, diba? Yan. So yun yung kanilang mothership sa Bacolod. I told her we went to Bacolod one time and we loved it. We absolutely loved it. Unfortunately, we weren't able to try yung IDAS doon kasi it was closed during that time. We tried another one. Nevertheless, it was good. Okay rin yung Bacolod. Mag-digress lang ako a bit. If you haven't been to Bacolod, you should go to Bacolod. Napakaganda. Anyway, going back to Boracay and iDelicious. So good. Try iDelicious ha. They are right beside Red Coconut. One flight up. Nasa second floor sila. You can't miss it. Sarap.
Hindi lang namin sure kung wala talaga silang utensils, pero nung first na in-offer yung food, ano siya, magbibigay sila ng gloves. Okay naman ako mag-gloves. Nag-request lang siya. Di siya masyado ma-hand. Di siya masyadong nagkakamay sa food. So, mabuti lang may binigay. And yeah, sarap ng food. Ang lambot nung meat. Usually, kapag yung in-order ko kasi paa, usually mabilis siya masunog. Sunog yung lasa kapag yung paa kasi mas manipis siya. Pero here, ang grabe yung skin, sarap ng meat, sarap ng flavor. Yeah. Perfect siya dun sa sausawan na toyo na may kalamansi. So yeah, lapit lang siya Station 2, di ba? Tapos ito naman, Station 2 rin. Tapos parehas pa lang, hindi ko lang na-realize, parehas sa second floor yung kinainan natin. Kasi yung iDelicious, second floor din siya. Ito, second floor lang din na not sure kung ano yung sa babae. Pero magkalapit lang sila. And you ordered hazelnut latte. Kailangan ng konting adjustment kanina. Nag-request pa siya ng additional sweetener. Yeah, sweetener. And it's good na. And then when you order a cookie, make sure na ipa-warm yun. It's delicious. I recommend this one. Itong dark chocolate ba, brown? Itong regular chocolate. Di ako masyadong mahilig sa white chocolate kasi. But it's okay.
Namit. Sabi nga ni Ann kanina, it's namit. Sarap.
Papasa mo tayo book.
Later. Day 2 done and dusted. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. What did we do today? So we just ate, swam, ate, and then swam again. Yeah, so it was very, very fun and very relaxing. And now we're reading actually. So catching up on our reading, sabi nga nila. So that's it. We have one full day to go. So abangan nyo yun. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Something different maybe? Who knows? That's it. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. PS. See you on the next one. Bye guys.